Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to save YouTube history on Gmail. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to keep track of your YouTube viewing activity. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the Gmail app on your device. Step 2. Look for your profile picture or avatar, usually located in the top right corner of the Gmail app. Tap on it to open a drop-down menu. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select the option that says Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings. Step 4. Within your Google account settings, you will see different options. Look for Data and Privacy and tap on it to access the privacy settings. Step 5. As you scroll through the options, you will come across YouTube History under the History Settings section. Tap on it to proceed. Step 6. In the YouTube History settings, you will see a toggle switch that allows you to turn on or off the saving of your YouTube history. Tap on the switch to enable it. Step 7. Once you have turned on the YouTube history saving, a confirmation message will appear. Tap on Got it to acknowledge the changes. By following these steps, you'll be able to save your YouTube history on Gmail, allowing you to easily access and review your past viewing activity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials.